Hello everyone. Today here we are to learn about something new, and today's our topic is Educandy. It's an app which allows you to create interactive learning games in a minute. So here we go. Educandy, you create, you share, they play. To start with it, we need to just put Educandy in the Google browser and let's see what we get. So we get the first option which says Educandy making learning sweeter. So now this tool gives a lot of options of candies. So that's why the name is Educandy. And this is an amazing app for basically pre-primary and primary students, but definitely we could use it for higher grades also. So I'll be also giving you a demo of how to use this site. As you can see, it says you create, you share, and they play. And there are very simple activities available. You put in few words and it create multiple games for the similar few words which you have put in. So we have games in terms of word search, knots and crosses, crosswords, spell it. You can see there are anagrams, matchup, multiple choice, and memory games available. So we will learn how to create games on Educandy. And first thing you need to do is you need to sign in. So after you log in, you will reach to this page and it says create a list of words, matching pairs, or quiz questions. So I'll just tell you what all things will happen if you click on words and you put in few words. Your words will get converted into one. You just put in few words and the similar words will get converted into word search, spell it, and anagram. So three games with just a few words putting in the detail. Similarly, when it comes to matching pairs, you put in few pairs and you get these all options: knots and crosses, crosswords, matchup, memory games, and all those. And the last one, when we look at it, is a quiz game, and there's no option. This will be like the multiple choice questions. So let's try and create what games are available. So I'll give you a small demo of the create a list of words. It is very useful for the English teachers also, and kids at the primary level definitely will enjoy it because there are lots of candies which are going to pop up. So let's try and understand how to create a game on this. Click on words. The moment you click on words, it will ask you for putting in some details, and first detail it will ask you is give the activity name. So I'll write it as demo quiz, and I'll write the subject as science. So the science subject was already there for me. So now you need to just click on create and you are ready to put in your words. So what we'll do, we'll add few words which are required by us to be seen by the students. So I've taken the demo topic as science. So I'll just write it as food as one word. Then I'll add plants. Let's see. And I'll add one more word. I'm just giving you a demo, so I'm adding few words. You can add as and when you are doing it, and multiple options can be added here. So I'll also add animals. And let's see, I have added three words, and let's see what sort of games will be created. Now I just added three words and my game is created. So you can add multiple words and the similar games will be created. You can see I can have a game in terms of word search, spell it, or anagram. So I'll just show you how it works also for the students. So the game is ready. Nothing else has to be done. The game is ready. You have to just share the link with the student, or you can also share a key. So you can see here it says C04D9. So you can ask student to go on Educandy app, educandy.com, and they can put in this key, or you can just copy the link. You can see these are all the similar three words, but you can see I have three different games available. So let's start with word search. You can see now I get a whole bunch of word search here. So I need to search all the words which I have placed it in my quiz, and this way you can give multiple words and student can search it. So this is one way. The second one is they can it's the same game. You don't have to create multiple games. The same game they can now play it as a spell it up. So they have to guess which could be the word. So you can see I have just got it. So this is how you can see the candy. It just, if you are not putting the correct word, the candy goes away. like this, and you can hear the sound also like that. And the third one, which is there, where anagram, where you can see the demo quiz, how will it look? And they will have option here, and they will have to just choose the correct answer like this. And this student will definitely enjoy looking at the candies. You can see now, if I give a wrong answer, the candy goes down, and if I give the correct answer, the size of candy increases. So this is how this is one set of question where we have just added few words and the game was ready. That's what initially I said, that interactive games can be created in just 1 minute. So this was our one game. I'll go to the home page. Just now what we created was the game using just words. Now we can also create a game with matching pairs and quiz questions. So for that, I'll not create a game, but I'll show you how I have already created. And what you can do is, so you can see the red color matching pair option, and I have red color matching pair option. I've converted, I've kept the subject as chemistry. So I'll click on edit, so you'll get a fair idea about what you need to do. You will get an option of add pair. You will have to add any text here and correct answer, and you have to add a few more pairs as and when you get it. So you can see I have added these pairs, and the moment I'm going down, you can see I get all these options. So again, as how we have seen for the previous situation, here also we can actually play the game. So let's try it and play in this situation also, right? So I'll just click on copy. I'll go to the next tab, and I'm pasting it here. So you can see the games are available. I'll just need to click on any of the options. So I'll just click on matchup. Hope it works. Let's see, the game is ready. So you can see the options available now. They will come up, they'll pop up. And you can see I have these options. I need to just pick and put it here. So it won't allow me to put the wrong answer. It will just allow me to put the correct answer only. So you can see solid to liquid is melting, and liquid to gas could be the boiling. So you can see this is how this is another set of question which has been created here. You can explore more of the option. Crossword is there, multiple choice question is there, memory game is there. So let's also have a look at how the crossword will look like. Remember, we have just created we have just added few pairs, and with those few pairs we have got around 4 different games ready with the same set of pairs. So you can see I need to just so the moment you'll click on it, you will get terms here, and you have the term for 5 is melting. For melting, which is the correct answer here, you need to think. So the melting is solid to liquid. So you can just see SOLID. So right now I know the answer, so it is becoming very easy, but student will have to utilize more time. So this is how it becomes interesting for them. So when I'll go to the home page, you can see I can also see the quiz question option, and in my activity I have another quiz question option, and it's the same way. Quiz question is same as how we do it in Kahoot and quizzes. It's not different, it's the same thing. So if you want to add just MCQs, then I would advise you to use quizzes. That is way better than how we are using Educandy. So apart from that, there's also an advantage that in this you have homepage, you have all the activities available, and there's also another option which says click here for a print friendly list of all your activities. You need to just click on it, and all your activities with the respective links are available. This is very unique about this app. So this is how Educandy works. I hope you have learned something new from today's session. Try it out and do put your comments in the chat box. That's it from my end. Thank you and have a great time. Bye bye.